Hi, so we're introducing a new feature into Omniscope reports called drill down. This is initially in the tile view, bar view, and pie view. So here I've got a data set of supermarket products. We've got various fields in this data, category, subcategory, and so on. And I've got a tile view and a table view below. So in the tile view here, I'm splitting by category, and I can see the various categories. And you can see a drill down section in the split options. So if I tick this, drill down through splits, I can then configure my drill down hierarchy. So I'm going to configure this as follows. So I've got category, I'm going to choose subcategory, type, brand, and product. So you don't see any changes in the view. If I switch to viewing mode, you'll see the viewer experience here. So here we're showing all data. And now if I click on beverages, we can go down to the subcategory, click on coffee, we go down to the type, instant coffee, the brand, and then finally the product. And here we can see at the bottom level the products here. So these are various Nescafe products. I can make a selection here. So clicking elsewhere will drill down. I can also drill up. So for example, if I want to drill up to coffee and then choose ground coffee instead, I can do that. And I can drill all the way up to all data. So we've got a few options in here to configure how this works. First is how the selection behaves. So at the moment, drill down selection is set to no selection. So that means when I drill down or drill up, it doesn't make a selection. If I choose partially linked, you can see as I'm clicking through, it's making a selection. So here I've drilled down to crockery and cutlery, and we've got those 890 records select. The table view is representing those. And now partially linked means that if the selection is cleared or changed, so in this case I'm going to deselect, it still retains that position in the hierarchy. If I change that to fully linked, and now I click down, so kitchen, garden and pets, crockery and cutlery, you can see it's making a selection. If I deselect, it'll move back up to all data. So fully linked means that the drill down and the selection are tied and linked together. So yes, the other one is the breadcrumb style. So these are the breadcrumbs, and I can change how those look. So I can make slightly bigger if I want to. And we've also got the text to show for all data. So by default, that's all data. But I can change that here. Now for the tile view, we also have an additional drill down option, which is to show child tiles. So if I tick that, you can see that the child tiles, the level below, are shown. So we can see here beverages, we can see the child down there. And if I click on that, I can now see tea and so on. You can change the opacity of that so that the child tiles are more or less visible. This is the drill down in the tile view. So we have the same in the bar view and pie view. So I'll just go to the bar view and show you that very, very quickly. So again, I'm going to configure drill down here. And then I'm going to configure my subcategory and type. And you can see I can drill down in the bar view. Likewise, I switch this to a pie view. And again, you can see the drill down is active there. So yeah, I hope that all makes sense.